today's tutorial we will focus on the wrist. Hi, my name is Jakub. In today's tutorial I will guide you through the basic examination protocol of the wrist. I will show you where to look for joint fluid and how to identify soft tissue structures around the wrist. We will examine the wrist from the anterior, volar and posterior dorsal views. Let's dive in. The examination begins with the anterior view. First, we locate the carpal tunnel in the transverse plane. The base of the carpal tunnel is formed by the carpal bones, with the scaphoid on the radial side and the pisiform on the ulnar side. Spanning between the scaphoid and pisiform is the flexor retinaculum, which forms the roof of the carpal tunnel. Within the carpal tunnel, we can identify the flexor tendons and the median nerve. On the ulnar side, the ulnar nerve and artery pass through the msksono. On the radial side, we can observe the flexor carpi radialis tendon. To distinguish the median nerve from the tendons, you can observe their structure. The nerve resembles a honeycomb pattern, while the tendons have a characteristic salt and pepper appearance. If you would like to learn 4 methods for identifying the median nerve, check out my other video. The link is in the description. When we follow the median nerve proximally, it dives between the flexor digitorum superficialis and flexor digitorum profundus muscles. To display the median nerve in its long axis, rotate the probe over the median nerve. It appears slightly hypoechoic compared to the deeper tendons. Next view is the posterior view. In the transverse plane, we will examine the extensor tendons, which are anatomically divided into 6 compartments, starting from the radial side. The first compartment contains the abductor pollicis longus and extensor pollicis brevis. The second compartment includes the extensor carpi radialis longus and extensor carpi radialis brevis. Between the second and the third compartment, we can identify a bony prominence called Lister's tubercle, which serves as a key landmark to help navigate between the compartments. The third compartment contains the extensor pollicis longus. The fourth compartment contains the extensor indicis and extensor digitorum communis. The fifth compartment contains the extensor digiti minimi. And finally, the sixth compartment, located on the ulnar side, contains the extensor carpi ulnaris. On the radial side, we can examine the extensor carpi radialis brevis and extensor carpi radialis longus tendons in the second compartment, as well as the abductor pollicis longus and extensor pollicis brevis tendons in the first compartment. On the ulnar side, we can assess the extensor carpi ulnaris tendon in the sixth compartment. In the longitudinal plane, we can evaluate the radiocarpal joint and the extensor tendons in the long axis. And that's it. You have now learned the basic ultrasound examination protocol of the wrist. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.